Wavetables offer a great way to stay within a subtractive environment, but work with much more sophisticated waveforms. We're going to take a look at two instruments for this example that corresponds to figure 9.3. The first one is Massive from Native Instruments, which has three basic oscillators here. And when we click on the oscillator waveform options, we notice under the basic category we have some that are familiar at the top here, but then we get into some less familiar descriptions. We have some that are under this column of analog and electric, digital and hybrid, and then FX chords. So these are sounds that are much more sophisticated waveforms than what a basic, certainly analog oscillator would be able to generate. I'm going to turn off oscillators 2 and 3 so that we're just hearing this this first oscillator, and I'm also going to disable my filters so that we're not hearing any kind of coloration happening there. All right, so let's take this over to Groan 1. Drive 3. Formant Square, Arctic. So these are sounds that are much richer as a starting point that you can build from. In some cases, a wavetable is hidden right under your nose and you don't even realize it. If you use Logic Pro and you haven't taken the time to look at the manual for the instruments, you may not have noticed that the ES2 actually has a pretty large selection of wavetable options. They're under the second oscillator only, and where you see sine written down here in what might be the 6 o'clock position, if you right-click, a list of 99 different wavetables comes up. And these are, again, pretty rich sounds, more complex than you would expect to get from otherwise from a subtractive instrument. And you need to right-click in order to select these. A very useful feature that you'll find on a lot of wavetable-based instruments are that the particular waves will be grouped together with other sounds that are in the same category, like we see the organs together here. This ring sound that we've got, what's adjacent to it is going to be in the similar type of category. What's advantageous about this is if we choose a sort of automation function here. For example, if we go under oscillator 2 wave selection under our modulation matrix and have the envelope 2 over here selecting which wave from the table is going to sound, it'll actually progress through that list at the rate defined in your envelope and come up with an interesting kind of morphing in between them. So let's hear what this does if we put up like a long attack time and bring the sustain level all the way down. All right, so that would be if the envelope is the source. If we did something like an LFO, and maybe we set it up to start after a little bit of a delay. Obviously, some really interesting possibilities there.